Introducing Party City's Leatherface. We know there are several in the market. We're obviously biased by our own. Some really nice detail before we turn him on. The mask detail with latex, you know, some iconic movie classics, the bracelet. The apron is the right yellow color, and the mechanism is not really unlike, and it's different than others that we've seen out there. So let's give him a go. So really awesome shaking mechanism with the chainsaw coming up and down. Yeah. God,
It's
we're
pretty
so
rad.
excited.
I know, this one's pretty awesome.
Yeah.